Hello world, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Coding Scientist. We are here today with a most exciting series on ESP32 Zero to Hero. Not just ESP32 but also ESP32 CAM. I'm going to show you in next couple of lessons. We are going to operate our ESP32 board along with a camera integrated to that and start building bunch of vision related projects. Anyways, for this lesson we will do something pretty basic so that you get a hands on, especially on the browser, on the web browser, web app side. So we will go ahead and try to connect a relay switch, as you can see on the circuit drawing here just above me on the left side. Take a look at this drawing, guys. It's a very simple 5 volt relay switch which is available anywhere in the market just for 200 rupees. Pick it up and connect your positive and negative as per this circuit, and also the signal pin to a digital output pin. Now what we need to do, I will show you the code. I will not talk about details about line by line code, because that's the reason I am organizing one-on-one session through Zoom call for those who want to learn C, C++ from the basic and start writing the code. So I will walk you through that during the one-on-one session. But for here, for this particular exercise, for those of you who want to quickly jump into without understanding the code, well, you may do that. You can just copy my code and run it. But I would highly recommend you need to understand line by line code so that you can start customizing your own project and start building something magical. So let's take a look at it, guys. I'm going to share the code here, and we will take it forward from there. So you need to go to my GitHub account. Let me just share the screen. So go to my GitHub. This is my GitHub. In GitHub, you can see this particular section, ESP relay underscore control.ino. All right. Go to this file, click on this, and then you go to raw. Click on raw. Once you click on raw, you get the entire set of code. So here you just, all you need to do is just control A and then right click, copy, and then you have to come to your Arduino IDE. This is where you put your code. Once you put your code here, you need to put your Wi-Fi address, the SSID name, all right, the name of the Wi-Fi which you had given, either your home network or office network, whichever the Wi-Fi you are using. This is my Wi-Fi, so you cannot copy the same thing. You will have to use yours, and then put your Wi-Fi password. It has to be within the double quote, all right. And then of course we are connecting to port 80 server 80, and then we are connecting to Wi-Fi network, and you're waiting for the response. This is what you get on the terminal. And of course we will get the IP address of your particular network, and we need to copy that IP address and put it in the browser. And of course and then if I had put most of the comments here. You can just take a look at it, checking if any client request is available or not, this particular code. And then if there is some client available, this is what will happen within the if loop, right? And then it will immediately trigger into your web page. So it's going to create a very basic just two buttons, on or off web page, and through which you will be able to control your relay circuit on and off. In my circuit, I haven't hooked up the relay yet, because the relay which I had it got spoiled. So I'll have to procure one. But I'll show you how it works. You can, in the ESP32, you can still blink the LED on and off. When you click on the browser, the LED will blink on your ESP32. So let's go ahead and upload this code. All right. So what you need to do, you need to hold the boot button. This is pretty little painful, but can't help. You need to hold the boot button with your index finger. Keep it pressed when you upload the code. So I am going to hold it and click the arrow mark here, which is the upload button. Click upload. Sketch folder has disappeared. We'll attempt to save it. Okay, that's fine. And then I'm just compiling it. It's getting compiled. It's compiling till we see that red dotted lines running in the terminal at the bottom. We should not lift off our finger. There you go. Connecting, verified, writing. Can you see that, guys, at the bottom? All right, now it's writing, the code is writing, it seems to be working. Hash of the data verified. All right, good, it's done uploading. Now I am going to take out my hand. Once you do this, what we need to do, open the terminal. Let me just minimize this. Open the terminal serial monitor, that is the serial monitor on the top, the lens symbol. Open it and you will not see anything, it's going to be blank. Why? You need to press this en button here again, the en button. This is the boot button. While uploading the code, you have to hold it tight and upload the code. Once the code is successfully uploaded, you need to hold the en button here. So I am going to press once, and there you go, it's connecting to R103, and that is my Wi-Fi, and this is my IP address. I got my IP address. Now what we got to do, we need to go to our browser and I'm going to type this. All right, it's 192.168, what was that, 192.168 0.1.2, 0.1.2. There you go, our beautiful little ESP32 relay control, stand-alone relay control. Now if I on, this will basically electromagnetize your relay switch, which is connected to digital input, digital pin of ESP32. But if I click off, I can see a LED glowing. Let me share another cameras so that you guys can see it. I hope you guys can see it now. Let me just check, give me a minute. All right, there you go. So can you see a blue light is glowing? So if you, I'm going to switch it off again on the browser, and if I on, the light should go off. So it's little confusing. So it's basically the way the electromagnetic the electromagnet works inside the relay switch. So if you Google up, you will know how the relay switch works. So basically on is it's going to release, it's going to hold it and it's going to release the switch, but the LED is going to look like off. But if I click off, the LED glows again. Can you see the blue color LED? It's working, the code is working, the browser is working, the system is working. So you can actually control your relay switch, and you can connect the relay switch with any other device in the world. Just imagine you can connect a siren, a big siren, and with a camera and stuff. You can do ton loads of projects. You can activate several other devices as a switch to the relay, and remotely through your mobile, all you need to do is access this particular URL with the IP address and click on and off whenever you want to do. So guys, I hope that's getting pretty interesting, and do stay tuned. If you like this video, do give me a thumbs up. If you need to have a one-on-one session with me, if you want a detailed explanation about the code, I can walk you through one-on-one on the Zoom call. I will be back soon, very soon in the next video. Do give me a message, reach out to me on my mobile, WhatsApp, Telegram, multiple modes. Goodbye.